Hey everybody, it's Blake at Simmons Fine Jewelry here in Meridian, Idaho. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Idaho Watch Collective and give you an instruction on how to change the metal bracelet to NATO strap on the TAG Heuer Octavia. Alright, we're going to show you the Octavia. It's a beautiful piece, part of the TAG Heuer collection. Very iconic history. And what's beautiful about the Octavia in the stainless version, as you can see here, it comes on a beautiful stainless bracelet. But what I want to show you here is how you can change this bracelet to the NATO strap that it also comes with. It's very simple, no tools are needed. A lot of people have asked how it's done, so I'm going to just show you real quick on the back of the watch. You can see the case back there. Right here is a little lever. As you pull this lever, it releases the clip on the pin and your end cap slides right out. So you flip it over, real simply, slide it out. Very, very simple. No tools needed. Simply just slide it through. You want to slide it through the 12 o'clock side. Top, put it down through, behind the case, up through the 6. Slide that all the way to the top. Then you're going to take your tail end here and slide it through the holder. And there you have it. You can take the Octavia, simply put it on your wrist. You're all set to go. 2 great looks in one. Very beautiful and affordable piece. Brought to you by TAG Heuer. We currently have several of these models here in stock at Simmons, so you can check them out on our website and comment below if you have any questions on how to assemble it or change the straps. And that's how you change the TAG Heuer Octavia from a steel bracelet to a NATO strap. If you want some more information on this fine timepiece, check out our website, simmonsfinejewelry.com, and also check us out on social media on Instagram at the Idaho Watch Collective. We'll see you next time. Thanks.